Okay, so before we even get into striking, we're going to talk about body positioning. And what I mean by that is we're looking at our attacker and ourselves at the same time, and the relationship between the two, and what to look for. So, for instance, you got a guy, he's coming at you, some thug from the street, some gang member, who knows who he is, but he's got a problem with you for some reason. If he's coming, his hands are all out like this, and he's trying to get real close to you, and he's trying to bump you in the chest with his chest, and his face is right by yours, first of all, never let that happen. This is your space, man. Don't let him in your space. So first what we're going to do is we're going to hold our hands up because we're smart. The people that put their hands down, not so smart. It's pretty easy to hit those guys and knock them out very quickly. We'll go over that later. But we're gonna stand in our position like this, like, hey, we don't want no problems. No problems. Get out of my space. Don't step in my space. Get away from me. I'm going to tell you one time and that's it. You don't have to give people 8 warnings. You warned them. That's good enough, right? Now, you're standing and I'm a righty normally. So I have my right leg back and I have my right arm back. So I'm more of a position to strike faster. If I'm standing straight on like this, like most of these people do in the streets, they do all this stuff. That straight, it's a lot harder for me to step back and then throw my strikes. Step back with my foot and then throw a kick. It's a lot more time consuming. I'd already want to be there. My hands, they stay up. So when I'm pushing this guy away, I'm not touching him. I'm just saying, warning him, please stay away. This arm's right here. So it's already, I'm ready to go, right? Now, you want to look at the other guy. If he's coming at you, he's flat-footed, he's doing all this stuff. His arms are down. He doesn't know how to fight, okay? He doesn't know how to fight. Martial artists don't even start problems in the street to begin with. We solve them, we fix them, or we just defend ourselves or our families. This guy in the street that's attacking you, we're just going to say he's some drunk guy coming out of a bar or he's on drugs. We'll use that as an example. So he's going to try to scare you. That's what he wants to do. Don't show him any fear. Just say, buddy, get back, and that's it. But if you notice that his arm, or we'll even do it this way, if this leg's back and this arm's back, he's gonna be wanting to hit you with this side. The odds of him throwing a quick jab like that and then coming with a right cross or left cross or whatever is very slim. Most likely he has no idea how to fight or definitely strike people, especially if they're intoxicated or on drugs. They're not going to have any accuracy whatsoever and don't even know what they're doing. They probably won't even remember it the next day, right? So, right leg back, they're looking to throw a right kick. Right arm back, they're looking to throw a right cross or a stupid haymaker that doesn't even work. Nobody in the streets usually throws strikes that are quick and fast, straight on punches. They always throw these silly things. Leave themselves way open for you to capitalize. So when these people are coming, just look at what they're doing because you might want to change your position to match theirs. So if you know that the guy, he's got his right leg back like this, you're expecting to block on this side, right? Because if he is facing me, he's going to be trying to hit me with this right. So I'm going to always want to position my body away from that side. And I'm going to want to circle to this side because I know that his strikes are coming from this side. So if I circle this way, I'm going to avoid more of impact from his kicks and punches. If I circle this way, I'm running right into them, right? We don't want to do that. So, just if the he's back like this, maybe he's in a fighting stance, I doubt it. But let's just say he's in a karate fighting stance like this. And you notice that he's in a karate stance. He's got 75% of his weight on his back leg, and he's got this leg ready to cock up, and he's, regular fighting stance. Let's just say he's in that position. Well, maybe he's a southpaw. Southpaw, basically all that is you're a lefty, okay? So you stand in this form right here. So maybe you might want to switch it up because if you notice that he's a southpaw and you can actually fight southpaw too, it's better for you to move in that direction because now he has a distance. Well, I'll show you that later when I actually have an opponent and you'll understand what I mean. But I just wanted to give you a little bit of information about body positioning so that you can understand what people are going to do before they do it.